clashing cement. And the nice thing about this is that you can do it under water repairs. So what we just have a normal piece of felt, bucket of water. We're just going to submerge this and then demonstrate putting the product down in a condition that you may run into when you're out on an actual roof. Probably not as severe as this, but we'll get the point across. What we have here is just some fiberglass reinforcing mat, kind of like screen door. You can put this in, sandwich it in between two layers, and it just adds strength to the product so you can apply it thicker and for a longer term repair. See, I'm just applying it underwater here, just pressing it into the felt as you would if you were on the roof. And when I pull it out, you'll see how its ability to adhere to the surface even under these extreme conditions. Stays in place, the water sheds off. If you wanted to add the fabric, just place it in there. Always start at the center and feather it out to the edges to eliminate wrinkles. Grab a little bit more of the material so that you don't see the fabric anymore. Starting at the middle and working my way down. Pull it out. And there's a repair. The full fabric. It's a standalone UV stable repair, and you're done. Make it look a little prettier if you want, but